Hi, this is Alexandra with Beadaholique, here to show you the Ergonomic 4-in-1 pliers by Beadsmith. The 4 features of this tool include round nose pliers, flat nose pliers, cutters in the back, and a groove for closing jump rings. So to demonstrate here, I'm going to open this jump ring front to back like so, and catch it in the little groove. And squeeze it shut. Now I've also found an alternative use for that little groove, and I wanted to show you. When I wire wrap and coil my excess wire around, I clip the end. Now this isn't quite a flush cutter, but it will get most of the wire. But the point I want to illustrate here is that it leaves a little tail sticking off. And what I found useful was to grip my wrap inside of that groove and close up the little tail on my wire wrap. So it's got nice curved ergonomic handles for easy, comfortable use. That's available at Beadaholique.com. Thanks for watching.